Monash University radiography and medical imaging student, and I've armed up for placement. Have you?
Have you had your COVID vaccination yet and recorded it on the InPlace app?
Some healthcare providers require students on clinical placement to be vaccinated against COVID-19.
It's easy to book a vaccine near you or at one of our hubs at our Clayton, Peninsula or Caulfield campus. Go to monash.edu/COVID-19 vaccination.
Once you've received your first vaccination, you can download your immunisation history statement from your MyGov account or Express Plus Medicare mobile app.
You then need to upload this to InPlace. The university won't know you've had your vax unless you upload your certificate.
Upload your COVID-19 vaccination to InPlace as you would your yearly flu shot and police check. It all goes in the same place.
So, don't wait. Do it now and be placement ready.
So join us
and
arm up
for
placement to protect you and your patients.